Hey guys, we're here at the Faulkirk property. As you can see, we settled on it last week. Our demo guys have been through, did a select demo in the house. Lead test came back. We were surprised. We didn't have that many issues. From the age of the house, we thought that we were gonna have a lot more issues than we did. Usually it's doors, stuff of that nature. The biggest lead paint issue was the basement stairs, and we completely demoed them. One of the biggest things is we updated the bathroom. It had carpet on the floor. The tile was old. It's just easier for us to come gut it and redo the bathroom. As you see in the other video, there was carpet through the house. The demo crew went ahead and removed the carpet. There's hardwood floors underneath. To save money, we will sand and finish. We own over 100 properties, and one of the things that saves us time in the long run is renovating all of our properties the same way. So we got 3 primary paint colors: wall, ceiling, and trim. The reason we do that is with over 100 properties, it's a lot easier to track one paint color for all the houses. That way, when somebody moves out and we go to do a turnover, we know the exact colors for each house. So let's say we're moving furniture out of the house and we hit the wall and we need to patch it. It's easier for our guys to come in, patch, paint, and they know what colors they're using. So next step for this property is we'll get all our mechanical trades in. We're gonna get our electrician in to update the panel. We're gonna get our plumber in, set the tub, diverter. Our guys will be in here to paint, renovate the bathroom, do the floors, and we should have this property rented within the next 3 weeks.